I've listened to you bitch, I've listened to you whine, but you cruise conceding your features are got you for this time. Your kids are getting fatter and the outlook's fatter bleak, despite you putting them on 3 fat diets every week. So do you take the blame and make a change at home? No damn it, you're American, you're both a bitch and mode. And just like every problem, your solution is the same. Your feature kid already babysitter is to blame. There's every single character on every single show, but they shape and mold it perfectly to help your children grow. Cause if they're not in your role models of beacons for good health, you might just have to be one yourself. And who has time for that? So wave your pen at the bin, turn on your TV, render right down memory, a decent CSE. There's a Googly and puppet with Dakota Ave blue. We grab a plate of something, hit a bullet like go through. And with that gas, we got nothing, the cookies disappear. And suddenly the reason for your usher set is clear. This one is fucking free, was fucking driven and ignored. So when the stuff is still hustling, what's open to explore. Because you're freaking busy, you can teach your kids to see that reality is different from what's broadcast on TV. So you know that they'll just stimulate the things that puppets do, and that might reflect badly on you. Now you're streaming by the blood of the cookie monster. Evil puppet demon of a piece of tea. That's a demon tune and a fearful ballad. Say it's the letter, that's good enough for me. So now you start to think your kid may be depressed, even though he says he's a different therapist. You go to his sponsor, which is looking rather stark, cause they're going to put a balance here to build a big apart. The teacher says he's failing in those history and math, and suddenly it's clear what's at him, then let's strip it back. You can't just call it failing, that's a scathing word. We'll just call it success and temporarily deferred. This language can be powerful, the reason to depress, that's how we no longer conscious like we are post-traumatic stress. And the only way to keep our precious darlings out of jail is to make them think that they can never fail. But now you're streaming by the blood of a underpaid teacher. After all your texts favor nearly 12 G. You can see the world with a shade, what do you call it? After almost it's good enough for me, Rich. Understand just how brutal you have it. You wake up each morning and have to fight traffic, then spend all day chained to your laptop and beepers. Get some client's ass and then play some minesweeper. Then hightailing over to your yoga lessons and lattes for lattes and therapy sessions where you whine and ramble and dab your eyelids and complain that you never get time with your kids.
Can you tell me how to get to Hypocrisy Street? Yeah, that's kind of heavy-handed there, don't you think? Yeah, so this is a whole song, so let's wrap it up.
You're bitchy, you're your heart out, and meddle with the best, but your brooding fat outs husband keeps deferring his success. So what the hell's the problem? It surely can't be you. It must be all the violence on his PlayStation 2. Look at this atrocity, this hopeless for this gang. And chronic took gangsters running hundreds that would take. There's nudity and blood against the cheapest cunning people, and that just in the new updated 3D Center sequel. And sure, this labels on the kids to say that they're mature, but now honestly, does who the hell resables anymore? Tell me, wouldn't it be easier for parents across the land? It seems enough for kids around this band. Now you're streaming for the blood of a game programmer, getting to be just a children's industry. Simulated actors, some baby role models, and the presenters is good enough for me. Streaming for new with the point your finger, wars to the whole world is rated PG. So stop to think what the letters really stand for. And Mr. Spencer, and Mr. Almost, see the letters just good enough for me. I am.
Remember when we used to hold each other close and gaze so deeply in each other's eyes? Remember how I said I'd never let you go, and how you swore you'd never tell me lies? You do? Well, all I remember is the way you nonchalantly squashed my heart just like a cockroach on the floor. All I remember is the happiness I felt the day I finally kicked your skank ass out the door. Remember when you were the best part of my life, the reason I got up to face the day. Remember how you swore you'd always stay by me and love me for forever, come what may. You do? Well, all I remember is that I should go out drinking and I pray to God to find you somewhere dead. All I remember is when and all my dishes became airborne and flew right into my head. Now please don't think I'm winning because I'm bitter. I found somebody new and I've moved on. But if only your name rhymed with twisty psychotic slut, I'd have a great idea for a song. Remember how we used to drive down to the beach and walk along the seashore hand in hand? Remember how we used to sit and watch the waves and spell out our initials in the sand? You do? Well, all I remember is whining in the morning and the griping about every little thing. All I remember is how soundly I could sleep when I dreamt of your lifeless body festering. Now please don't think that this is all just hindsight. I felt this way about you for so long. And if only your name rhymed with sadistic lying bitch, I'd have a great idea for a song. Oh, your name might as well rhyme with psycho, whore, south of hell. with walking, talking maxi pad. Think of all the clever tunes I could have been. Becky rhymes with Yeki, and Missy rhymes with Pissy, and Susie rhymes with Floozy, and Patty rhymes with Fatty. Elizabeth rhymes with Kissadef, and Eleanor rhymes with Smelly Whore, and Marigold rhymes with Harry Holt, and Lauren rhymes with Scorin. Celia Linda Park rhymes with Filia in the dark. Daisy Rhoda York rhymes with Easy Hoda Pork. Ronald mixed up back rhymes with fondling life on crack. I pay to change your name to Shelly Hunt. Hey, remember when your latest hug robbing me and left you for a nicer piece of ass? Remember when you called me something on the phone and begged me to forgive you for your past? You do? Well, all I remember is that elaborate selfless levers after taking an electric shock or two. I'd rather tuck deep alive where to my coin and take a death march down memory lane with you. Now please don't think I want to be your friend now. I'd rather see John Goodman in a thong. But if only it rhymed with backstabbing heartless tramp, I'd have a great idea for a song. Yeah, if only it rhymed with manipulative conniving whore, I'd have a great idea for a song. Yeah, if only it rhymed with worthless, cheating, worm-ridden, butt-ugly, bile-sucking, skanky, smelly, slutty waste of flesh, fat, and bone that makes me want to donate my entire life savings to NASA in the hopes that someday they'll make a time machine and I can retroactively give your parents a box of condoms. I have a great idea for a song.
Soap is gone. It was just a sliver yesterday, and now it has passed on. I feel for his predicament, but still it isn't fair. Just 'cause he used up his ivory, why should I bathe in his hair? There's a hair on my soap, a hair on my soap. Can't rinse it off, can't scrape it off. I don't know how to cope with this hair on my soap, this hair on my soap. Just thought I'd take a shower, but I've given up all hope. The water's pouring down on me and splashing in the drain. The shampoo's running in my eyes, I'm wincing from the pain. Can't deal with the horror of this most disgusting vine. This sample of his DNA my roommate left behind. I look around the tub, my other roommate's soap is there. It's shiny white and barely used, devoid of pubic hair. So I use it and put it back where it's supposed to go. And I think that it's the perfect crime, but little do I know I left a hair on the soap, a hair on the soap. Well, at least it's less disgusting than to find one in your scope. There's a hair on the soap, a hair on the soap. The cycle goes forever, and I don't know how to cope. Soap, even in the yuppie bathrooms where they hang it on a rope, they'll still find hair on the soap, a hair on the soap, and no one of us is safe. Hell, I bet even the Pope has found a hair on the soap, a hair on the soap. Could be from somebody's balding head or from their anal slope. There's a hair on the soap, a hair on the soap. Could be from a person, from a dog, or from an antelope. There's a hair on the soap, a hair on the soap. If you ask me if I like it, I'll just have to tell you nope. There's a hair on the soap, a hair on the soap. the soap. There's a hair on the soap. There's a hair on the soap. There's a hair on the soap. A hair on the soap. There's a hair on the soap. There's a hair on the soap. There's a hair on the soap.
R2D2 lives in my butt. R2D2 lives in my butt. R2D2 lives in my butt.